Hello and welcome to another NCCS Solidworks tutorial. Today we will go over what to do when certain files are missing, in this case thread profiles. As you can see on the screen, when we try and insert a thread to the part, all profiles and sizings are missing. So the first thing we're going to do is to check where Solidworks is trying to read the thread profiles from. And the way to do this is to go into Options, File Locations, and under File Locations, search for thread profiles, and then see where Solidworks is trying to obtain these thread profiles from. As you can see, Solidworks is being told that the thread profiles are in the local C disk. This means that when you try use a thread profile, Solidworks will check that local C disk, and because the files aren't in that specific folder, Solidworks will then show what it has found, which is nothing. The way we can rectify this is by clicking Edit All, scroll down to Thread Profiles, and under the New Path, double-click where the file location is. Before we continue this video, it should be noted that the View options have been changed to show hidden folders. This is easily done, however, by following the simple steps in this short clip. Select the View tab, Options, View tab again, Show hidden folders, click Apply, and then OK. Here we will select Program Data, Solidworks, and the current version of Solidworks that we are using, in this case 2018. Now we select Thread Profiles, select Folder, Save, OK, and Yes. Now you should be able to use your thread profiles.